Hello YouTube, TJ here with you with a short video about the GL1800 dreaded alternator drive gear death rattle. We have here a 2012, yes it's a 2012 with the newer style hydraulic gear instead of the spring-loaded one from 2005 and lower. I guess these can go bad too, not as often, but this is one of them. I did the test on it and it failed the test and it was making noises. So I decided I'd rather do it now than later, and took it apart and bought a new drive gear and all the other parts that I'm going to need. And when I started examining everything, I kind of noticed that the bearing, the rear bearing on the drive gear fits in this boss right here. Well, it's been spinning in that boss. Can't really see it real well. You can see the scuffing a little bit in there, and that's not a good thing. So I started looking into it a little further, and there's the old drive gear and the new drive gear. The old drive gear, I started looking at the bearing, and as you can see, it was spinning on the inside too. You can see the scuff marks and the scuff marks on the outside, more on the inside than the outside. So I started checking the fits on everything, and as you can tell, it is very loose. I can spin the whole bearing on the hub there. So I haven't mic'd it or anything yet, but it's very loose. Now this is the new one with a new bearing. Guess what? It does the same thing. I can get it on there, but as you can see, I can spin the whole bearing on there, and that's not a good thing either. And if you're wondering about the other side, the bearing that's in the cover, well, the bearing outer race isn't spinning in the cover, but yes, the hub is spinning in the bearing. So I'm going to do a couple things to fix that, and when I do that, I'll make a second video. Take care.